Hey, if you're anything like me, you watch a lot of Owl's Maker and Mischief. Uh, Honestly, I've watched him for a while, and I think the coolest thing is his skill with a slingshot. So I'm gonna make one today. Now I've ordered an aluminum plate. It's 8 millimeters thick, and I'm gonna quit my yapping and get to work. Now I'm not sure if I can cut aluminum with an angle grinder, but I'm gonna try, and if I can't, I'm gonna have to think of something else. I'm just gonna give it the shape it needs. After bitches. Yo, so the electricity here still doesn't work, so I made some lighting out of batteries, so hopefully it will be good enough. It's time to do the fun part, testing the slingshots. Hopefully it will turn out great. Honestly, I just wanna throw out a video. I can shred it. Damn. That's cool. I'm gonna shoot it a couple more times. Yes. Oh, oh, it went straight through. Damn. I'm gonna shoot this one twice with the normal BBs, and then I'm going to switch to darts. Wait, did I shoot it? Oh, I shot it. Bro. Hey, you can't. Damn. It's a nice hole, went straight through. Oh, yeah, so next I'm gonna be shooting these darts. Let's see what they'll do. Yeah, and probably I should don't do this at home. I have eye protection and hand protection, so yeah, I'm safe. Fucking hell, bro. Went right in, bro. Yeah, duct tape. Dude. That's insane, dude. Yeah. Fucking, you'd be dead. There's, like, legit, you'd be done.